In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Asana, a powerful project management tool that many of us use to keep our tasks organized and on track. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start with a common situation that might arise while using Asana. Perhaps you just deleted a task by mistake, or perhaps you accidentally changed the status of a project, and now you're scratching your head, wondering if there's a way to reverse that action. Well, the good news is that Asana has a handy feature that allows you to undo your last change, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First, after you perform or identify an action that you want to undo, like deleting a task or changing a task's status, Asana has your back. It automatically tracks the most recent changes you make. This means if you realize something went wrong shortly after making that change, there's a way to fix it. Now, to get started, you want to look for a notification pop-up that appears at the bottom left corner of your screen. This pop-up will show up immediately after the action you've taken. It may say something like task deleted or status changed, and you will also notice an option that says undo. This is the key to reversing your change. Next up, here's where timing comes into play. You want to be quick. That notification isn't going to stay on your screen for long. It typically lasts just a few seconds before it disappears. So the moment you see that pop up, take a quick glance to ensure that it accurately reflects the action you want to revert. If it does, go ahead and click the undo option right within that pop-up. And just like that, your task will be restored or your change will be undone without any hassle. It's worth noting that timing is crucial here. If you happen to miss that brief window of opportunity and the notification disappears, don't panic. While this feature is your easiest route for undoing actions, Asana also keeps a history of your tasks. You can still locate earlier versions of your tasks, but it will take a bit more time compared to the swift click of the undo button. So remember, once you perform an action, watch out for that notification pop-up. If you blink, you might miss it, and that proactive moment could save you from additional work. This handy feature is designed to give you peace of mind, knowing that mistakes are easily reversible as long as you act quickly. Before I wrap things up, I'd like to encourage you to practice using this feature. The more comfortable you become with it, the less worried you'll feel when making adjustments in Asana. It can transform your experience and help keep your projects on track without unnecessary stress. That's it for today's video on how to undo actions in Asana. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tricks to maximize your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.